So so that's why I get 100 revenue. If if I don't have super chat, no one give me this December, I will not have salary. So I got $111 in this January. So that's why I really appreciated your help to Silent and you and Greg and to all the S Rocker, this Gemaline viewers and Blue Shy and Joyce and Shalendra, long time no see. Hello, female snake. Grabe naman. You know, if I didn't found you in that channel, I will not have good revenue. I will not have salary. Still, because my dollar it's $22. So when I found all of you in that channel, I'm so thankful. I'm so blessed. Hi, Rashid. I will always support your channel, me and the rest of the guys. Yeah, thank you so much, Greg. You know, because of you and to all this Blue Shy and Gemaline, I got complete. You know, the $22. It's suddenly become 100. You know, they update already. They update like $111. So I'm so thankful. Really, I'm blessing to I found all of you in that channel. Another things that irritates me is how to view account drops down sometimes. Oh yeah, Rashid, I met you on Gemelin channel. Really, thank you so much. If I didn't found you Silent, Santa and Mustafa, I will never have good revenue. I'm so thankful, really. Thank you. This is the God gift for me, you, all of you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Guys, my salary in YouTube, I'm not taking. It's I put in my daughter. We are joint account. I told them to save. Don't take in the bank. At least I have little, and we will save. I'm glad I found your channel as well. Thank you, Greg. James. Hello, James. Rashid. Hello. 9 people. Thank you so much. Ayan na. Only guys. Only 22, 23, 45, 26, 7, 8, 9. 8 minutes only. Just half an hour, guys. Because I need to sleep also. Love you. William, why are you laughing, William? He keeps saying open. Half open is all gets. Oh my gosh. I have lots of copyright in my Lady Jaja. Across the sky, beginning on and I, in a lifetime.